Good morning, first grade. I hope you are having a nice morning so far. Today is Tuesday, November 10th, 2020. It is the 49th day of school, which means that tomorrow will be the 50th day of school. I can't believe we've already had almost 50 days of school. Today, your special is physical education at 11:45, and our riddle for the day is which month has 28 days? Which month has 28 days? All right, before we go into the schedule and some reminders, if you would like to join me with the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Okay. All right, very good. Coming out first thing this morning will be an application problem, and it will be for lesson 1 in module 2. So I've mentioned this a couple of times, but it will be this book. It still has the blue spine. It's still called Learn, but if you look at the front, it says modules 2 and 3. So we'll actually be using this workbook for the next 2 modules. But this was part of the second supply box pickup. That was in the beginning of October. So it was in that second box. So let me know if you have any questions or having trouble finding it, but this is where you will find all of the application problems and problem sets for Module 2 and 3 moving forward. So you'll have the application problem. There will also be a deep dive today for our wit and wisdom reading. There will also be an additional reading video lesson that will be following up on the questions that you asked about green eggs and ham, and it will go over the story map that you completed yesterday, as well as talk about time order words a little bit. So those will be the three activities you'll see coming out first thing this morning at 9. We will meet at 10 for our morning live class. We'll do word building. So if you could bring a blank dictation paper as well as these letters, AGHINRSTUW, and I'll type them, of course, in the typed schedule for the day as well. Then we will meet again at 1 for math, and we'll be starting the Module 2, Lesson 1, and we'll do that today during our live math class. Just a couple of quick reminders. I know I've been mentioning these every day, but I know there's a lot going on, a lot to keep track of, so I like to just keep mentioning it. Parent-teacher conference sign up went out on Friday, and the conferences will be held on December 1st and December 2nd. They will be virtual, so if you want to check that out, let me know if you have any questions or trouble or cannot find an available time. And then just again, a reminder for this Friday, the 13th, is the next supply box pickup between 12 and 5. And if you could please return the Wit and Wisdom texts, the Waiting for the Biblioburo, Green Eggs and Ham, and That Book Woman. And if you still have Tomas, if you could return that as well. And I'll give you the next set for Module 2. And then the 13th is also our one-on-one end of the trimester assessment day. So your first graders' times were emailed yesterday morning. They'll also get an activity in the morning on the 13th with the link to join and the time. So just let me know if that time won't work for you or for your first grader, and we can try to reschedule and find a better time. But again, just a reminder, we will not have our normal live classes that day, but you will still receive all of the materials and lessons and recordings in the morning for that day. All right, so thanks for your help with this, and let me know if you have any questions. And I hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to everybody soon. Thanks so much.